You know, system we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, no the explosion, and we make the commotion, yeah. They even dance with them, watch we have emotion.
Hold on, that TV different, TV different.
I'm a blood clot, I'm a shut up selector boy. Hold on, a pussy, you know, a 5 against my team.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit and a smash another bang. You know, guys, from you see from the title, yes, I'm here with another video from none other than the man himself. Yeah, man. Alkaline. He's no stranger to the channel, guys. Yes, we've done songs from him such as I Perhaps. I think we did the audio for Ocean Wave, you know, and Now For Like. So yeah, him drop about an hour ago, him drop the official video for Ocean Wave. I'm gonna check it out today and see what going on. You see me? So you don't know, we do it over here, so you know, guys. If you like the video, drop the fire emoji. If you think the song is trash or you know it's a mess, just drop the garbage can or shit emoji. You already know. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload it. And for returning viewers and subscribers, I want to thank y'all for the love and support, the comments, that's the overall, you know, the interaction, everything, man. I love it. Yeah, man, I go over as strong. So I appreciate the strength on that, you see me? And stay tuned because I have enough, yeah, I have giveaways and shoutouts coming. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss them prizes, you see me? You already know. So guys, yes, today we had a song from the man himself, Alkaline, called Ocean Wave. It's supposed to be a banger. You don't know where the other day. You see me now, him drop the video. Oh, I go, so I'm going to check out the video, see what going on, see if him had a shot. So you see me, without further ado, we're just going to jump straight tonight. This is Alkaline, Ocean Wave. Let's get it.
My dog Javi produced that one, is it?
Ambassador Music.
Javi produced that one, is it?
You know, system we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, no the explosion, and we make the commotion, yeah. They even dance with them, watch we have emotion.
Hold on, that TV different, TV different, man. I didn't see what going on. I'm talking for the top guys, sorry about that.
My dog Javi produced that one, is it?
Ambassador
We got
Music.
Javi, wiki producer. I'm following on Instagram. We got Javi. Guys, and before we jump back in the song, we need to pause again. Yes, yo, I really appreciate the love of the artists that I show me to, you know. Artists such as Skilly Bang and Takeover and Wasp. Yeah, man, they show me love on IG and even on YouTube. So I really appreciate all love and support, y'all. If y'all watch my video, I really appreciate that. Skilly Bang mentioned me on Skilly Bang himself, yeah, man. Mentioned me on Instagram. Takeover, you know, the guy that did Alien Move. Chop Boss, yeah, man. Mention me on Instagram. And also Wasp, the guy that did the song Cartel, inside the Cartel G-Mix, yeah, man. He also commented on the video on Instagram. So I really appreciate the love and support y'all be showing. So thank you guys. You guys are the best. So let's jump right back in the trap without further ado. Alright? Let's get it. This is Alkaline, Ocean Wave.
You know, system we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better.
That's like I think I TV and tea for the mother, you know. I'm glad to have TV and tea for the mother, man. Yes, so it's
Better than your son, no the explosion, and we make the commotion, yeah.
no, boy,
They even dance with them, watch we have emotion. Deep and we slow down, yeah. We do it first, got them soft like lotion, and waves like the ocean, yeah. When I never see a phone sound, never see a phone sound strong. Never the time for rely on people to make my move, and never saw me grow up. And I know say me hype, I know you're probably right, but if you not have no pride, I guess anything goes.
I say dog, I try to match up in blood clean thing. So I say you come up with the thing. Waves hit the coast of Jamaica, east side of Jamaica, and you say I live as Alkaline. That's why you get the name Alkaline. I can't say you get the name, man. Because I think that I'm after your boss. So that's mad creative. But when you look at that, Chargy Bridging come check him and I say, yo, man, I can't forward because I'm there. You know, study, I try to match up his lyrics. Okay, mad, like that.
Me I live my life telling me I'm one. I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown up. Think my life did so rough. Skinny nigga did that talent but never have no luck, so rough. My father get laid off, now have no up. They don't fit on up.
The man says, killing nigga have talent but never have no luck. My father get laid off, now no work. One buck.
A man from there, so now my life sweet like a donut.
And say, I'm 20 man from there, so now my life sweet like donut. Man.
You know I wouldn't change a thing. No, choose the ample lose a couple times before you win. Oh, yeah. I pop bottles, pop models. What my story have happy and like the novels. Yeah, in a castle I'm eating apples. I look out on the sea, I show me.
In a castle I might eat the apple. Man said in a castle I might eat apples. I look out on the ocean. Hey.
You them all would do it. Great waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, big and your son know the explosion and we make the commotion. They even dance with them, watch we have emotion. Deep and we slow down. We do it first, got them soft like lotion and waves like the ocean, yeah. We never see a phone sound, never see a phone sound strong.
Guys, halfway to the tune, let me know the thing so far. You see me? Let me know what you think of the song itself and the video. You see me? Cause right so far I'm not lying up. I'm a thing I go on, man. Rate it, man. You see me? You know, no hype song, you know, it's kind of like a mellow, but have some G, you know, the G element, you know, and just you might show you say, oh, it make it from Frank. And basically, that I say, yo, you never know, say, yo, them create waves like the ocean. You see me? You see how that they saw in that work hard. I look at the P magazine and Dream, and that come and call him and I say, yo, forward dog. He say, you can't forward on the road right now, man. Match up him, I try to practice. You see me? Father get lay off, and from the same after man. When man and cast the light, I don't know. You see me? You see me? The man I say, yo, from the same after man. I know, you know, no life sweet like a donut. Because I know, into the man and him out there do it. And you know, it creates waves. You see me? So, yo, real true, man. Real motivational type track. You see me? So, get to youth, if you watch this, don't give up. No matter what a situation I can come out and, you know, create waves like the ocean. Like Alkaline say, create waves like the ocean. You never know. You see me, you know, and where you come from, and where you go. You see me, and your mind and your motivation. You see me, your persistence and your consistency and your drive. That, you see me, nothing can stop you, man. Where's a will, there's a way, you know, remember that. You see me, as long as you have faith. Most me. Good job, right back in the track. Remember one thing, if you like the song, comment down below. Fire emoji if you don't like it. You know, garbage can or shit emoji, you feel me? If you do like the song, go check it out on all this page, man. This is Alkaline Music. Go check him out. Show him some love. You see me, I say? You see me? But if you don't like it, just let me know in the comment section. No hate over the panel artist page. Leave all the hate and any bad comments over Yasso. Let me know what I go on. Let me know what I want to see in the future. And once again, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on the notification, man. Come and say, we get lit over here, you know? Only, hey! Don't worry yourself, man. YouTube so burn up. That me tell you we're lit we are get over here, so go on.
Never see a phone song. All over the world, them a wave me banner. Fans a come out and a support me and a bad mind. I wonder what's so special with a man. Tidal wave, you no see up on that.
All over the world, them a wave the honor. Listen, all over the world, them a wave him banner. Fans a come out and a show him honor. You see me? People are saying, oh, special about them money, dog. You see me? Come and make waves.
At the cabana, we a create big wave and a flood the whole place. If me no make it out, show the kids my face. Tell them how me stay and how me stuck in my ways. Go on like say them not like about them rate way anyway. Cause we create big waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, you better than you some loud explosion and we make the commotion, They even dance but them watch we have emotion. Deep and we slow down, Do it first, cause them soft like lotion and waves like the ocean, yeah. We never see a phone sound, never see a phone sound strong. We never see a phone sound, never see a phone sound strong.
Yeah, man, they never see a post like Jambisco yet, you know. They come out and come make waves onto them. Onto them, man. Yeah, man, yo. They don't know Bisco squad, they don't know where I do it over here, so, you know. We are coming out with the hits and the bangers, you know. You see me, we now stop. We are going to create waves on this. So, yeah, we are creating waves in this YouTube ocean. You see me? So, everybody's going to click power thing. You see me? And I don't know, so you know, day one. And then say, I don't know if you're there from day one. You see me? When things get big and, you see me, we have all that. But you think we have all some different whips, but you think, yeah, no. But then you say, yo. I don't know things yet, man. I just know that day one and we only get lit over here. We have prize and shout out to come for now. I love it. Yeah, I love the support and the strength on and give me and I go, yo, just watch me. But anyway, that was Alkaline song called Ocean Waves. Go check it up on him in YouTube. Yeah, Alkaline is gonna show him some love all of them, man. If I like the track, yeah, man, go support him so he can keep dropping them bangers. See me, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I say like 100 times, man. You say, let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop the fire emoji. You see me, if you think you fire, drop the shit or garbage can emoji. It's a miss. You see me, I say, yeah, man. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You know we got banger videos, lit videos. I got other things coming. I got some. Trust me, man. I start the video them, man. I saw hard videos, some different video, you know. Some things that I'm interested in that y'all probably want to see too, relating to music. I'll put all my related music stuff here and everything that's not relating to, you know, on my. But we're just we're gonna show some videos soon, like, and just let me know when you like it and where you want to see it, and then let's see we go for this. So. Yeah, man. But you don't know what things said. Really dope track from Alkaline, mad thing. Really dope video. Show you say yo, never plan, but yo, you come in and make waves like the ocean. That's me, man. Say yo, father lose work and then some tell them man, and do you think on the life swing like doing it so you tell you to stuff do no thing. And see my life but nice, so just do it and just have faith. And you know you can't be the man who create waves. You see me, you never know, you can't be the next Alkaline. You see me, the next Jambisco. You see me, I try to be the next Jambisco and be a legend and this now to them. You see me, but we have to put in the work and hopefully you like the videos, you see me. So please like, comment and share, guys. Share with somebody. You see me, somebody can sit down and watch it. You see me, that's car vibes, you know, with Jambisco. You see me, we just have all the vibe in the car. So if you're alone in the car, just pop on the video. Maybe you're on a friend them. You see me, just pop on the video, all the vibes with me. You don't know. The boy Jambisco, we love you know. It was a dope track from Alkaline. Go check him out, show him some love. It's the boy Jambisco. Stay safe out here. Until next time. I love you guys, and I'm out.